here. We have 9 times 0. What's
Zero.
the strategy
Zero.
that we know?
Anything times
Anything times 0 is 0.
9 times 1. What's the
anything
strategy
times
we know?
one.
Anything
It's
times
that
itself
number.
is that number.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. All right. So I have here 9. I know 9 times 0 is going to be 0. I know 9 times 1 is 9. Now let's go to 9 times 2. What strategy do you
9
want to do?
plus 9 is 18, which is the same thing as 9 times 2.
I see what I remember it.
Okay.
Then it goes. I think you're supposed to do.
You're looking at. You just found another pattern. The light bulb went
How
on.
old are you?
10.
What grade are you in?
5th.
I hear that you got 9 out of 30 on your multiplication facts in September. And just recently you got 25 out of 30. How does that make you feel?
Good.
Your turn, Mara. Okay, remember the strategies.
Turtle. It's a pummel. 9 times
Go
8
ahead.
is 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 6 is 45. 9.
Hurry.
And then
Good job.
50, 93.
All right,
did
Mara.
I beat it?
Your best score so far was 57 seconds.
Good
and you beat it
job.
'cause You got
Thanks.
50 seconds this time.
With
Excellent
no
job.
errors.
Got a brand new story today. It is called Tag Tag.
Like that.
And our goal here is to read this whole story. Can you show her how long the story is? That whole story within a minute with
Whoa.
no mistakes.
You can do it.
Let's see how we do today, Maria.
Or I see you can run fast, but you cannot catch me.
Great job of
Good
reading. You read
job.
91 words in 59 minutes. Do you know where you might have had a little mistake? Right here. What does that say?
You are standing still.
And you said you're standing still. And you tried to fix it, but it was a little bit tricky. So you did an awesome job. High five for you.
That was awesome.
Exclamation point.
Yeah, what does it mean when you have something with an exclamation?
It means it's like frightened or happy, like it's like, oh no.
So what do? Do you put like maybe more emotion into what you say?
Yeah.
So can you try that with a lot of emotion?
Oh no!
So, because they
No, I know
found
a
out
better
they
way.
lost their keys, right?
I know
So-
a better way. Oh no!
I like to teach after-school math tutoring because I really enjoy the one-on-one support that I can give the students. I really think they bring a lot out of it. It's a quiet environment, and we can have fun and learn at the same time.
If it adds up to be 2, you might want to say it closer to 5 because the choice of 2.
I like playing. What I like best is playing math games after we finish one. And that can be added to 1/2 to get a sum of 7 eighths. Explain your answer using words or diagrams.
Okay. So Holly, set up an equation. When you're looking at these two fractions, how would you set up the equation? Now, remember how we learned there's an inverse relationship with subtraction? Could you set this up into a subtraction equation?
Can you read that number, Lila?
45,611,025.
Very good. Okay, you go ahead.
45,611,025.
Excellent.
So, what does this improper fraction equal?
2.
2 and 1/2.
2 what?
2 holes and 1/2.
And 1/2. Well, you have your 3 holes right now. Take your holes, partition them into thirds. So this is how many?
1, 2, 3, 3/3.
Yeah.
2/3. I mean, 2 holes. 2 wholes
And 2/3.
so turn that into, remember that the whole number is bigger.
Oh yeah.
There. Okay, so
They're
now
done.
shade in 8/3. Good. Okay, go to the next one. Oh good. I like that you split them in half first and then to the fourths.
Yeah.
So you have,
So 2 wholes and 2/3.
perfect.
The other day I missed a class because I was sick, so I come in to get help on stuff that I missed.
Yeah.
To get kind of caught up, and if there's stuff that I don't really understand, I come to get help with that too.
I think that core support is invaluable for several of my kids who tend to perhaps fall through the cracks in the classroom. And for those who don't always raise their hand and ask the questions, perfect time for them to feel comfortable asking those questions and getting the kind of answers that they really need. Interacting with them one-on-one, it's great.
Core support is a great opportunity to ask the questions that you didn't want to ask or couldn't ask or didn't think to ask in class, and it gives you that extra time to get that one-on-one support.
We work together as a group. Miss Tumbo is here. She's always, here to help us. She's a great teacher.
Oh.